Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Keep Learning. So today's our topic is process of curriculum development, or we can say components of curriculum. Both are same. So let's begin. As we know that curriculum is a broad term. In fact, it is a suprasystem and has many subsystems. Suprasystem is the sum of all the subjects and the co-curricular activities that a school looks after. If a student, for example, is required to study 5 subjects and participate in some co-curricular activities in a particular class, then he or she will be considered to be completing the curriculum for that class. The study of different subjects and participation in different co-curricular activities in different classes help in accomplishing the aims of education. Teachers have to complete the curriculum transaction in their respective subjects, and each subject as a subsystem has its own curriculum. Now, the components of this curriculum are given in figure. The process of developing curriculum takes place through these components, and these components are objectives of teaching a subject, then course content, which is known as syllabus, then learning experiences, and at last evaluation. Let's discuss about one by one. Now, the first component of curriculum of any subject is the objectives of teaching of that subject. These are the general objectives, implying the rationale of teaching a particular subject. The person desirous of developing the curriculum of a subject should have a thorough knowledge of the objectives of teaching of that subject. Two of the general objectives for teaching English to a particular class, for example, may be to enable the student to write and speak correct English. Once the objectives of teaching are clear, it becomes easy to develop the course contents. Now, the second component of curriculum is the course content or the syllabus. We can say developing the course content. Now, as stated above, the objectives of teaching facilitate the task of developing this syllabus. For each objective, a question should be asked: how to accomplish these objectives? The answer of this question brings out the course content to be taught for accomplishing the corresponding objective. This exercise helps in developing the desired syllabus. The two objectives of teaching English as given, as I say, that to enable the student to write and speak correct English. The course content required for writing correct English may be the knowledge of appropriate vocabulary, parts of speech, principles, tense, active passive voice, direct indirect speech, etc. And this content should be included in this syllabus of English. The second objective, along with the first one, is to enable the student to speak correct English. It means to speak this language with the proper stress and intonation. Speaking requires immediate comprehension and real-time reaction. For accomplishing such objectives, theoretical contents may not serve the purpose. Teachers should focus mainly on the activities where students will be speaking as much as possible. Some practical sessions may be incorporated in the syllabus, like conversation with teacher and fellow students, observing the model of teacher's speech with natural speed and intonation, proper use of language lab, etc. etc. The readers might have noted that the objectives facilitate the task of developing the course content. Like the objectives given, as I say, the objectives of teaching of different subjects help the curriculum developers to develop the syllabi of their respective subjects. Now, the next component is learning experiences. The main task of every teacher is to communicate the course content to the students in the right perspective. He or she has to devise the strategies for providing the suitable learning experiences to the learners. During pre-teaching phase, he or she determines the objectives that are to be accomplished during the teaching learning process. He or she plans the steps to be taken during the teaching phase as also during the post-teaching phase. Different learning experiences are provided through different sources. For example, using different methods of teaching during a properly developed timetable, textbooks, reference books, by organizing suitable co-curricular activities, by providing opportunities to work in labs, utilize the library, playground, etc. The last component is evaluation. When the teacher provides the learning experiences, naturally he or she would like to see the impact of those experiences. He or she would like to observe the extent of learning that has taken place by the students. For this, different types of tests are developed. The administration of tests reveals the extent of learning by the students. In case learning is not satisfactory, ways and means are found out to take care of the deficiencies. No learning or lack of learning may be due to the faculty, your faulty objectives, or inappropriately drawn course contents, or the use of defective evaluation tools. All this is done under evaluation. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Stay connected, keep learning and keep supporting. Thank you.